Hey guys, Ryan with the MXG channel back, and a couple days late getting this out. I had a busy weekend at Arena Cross, but let's talk about the 2023 GasGas Factory Editions. These are pretty exciting because although it's technically the first GasGas Factory Edition, because last year's was the Troy Lee Designs Edition, but it's really the same kind of deal as that, but it's the new generation machine. So KTM and Huskies went to a completely new motorcycle last year in 2023. GasGas did not. So the GasGas stayed the same for another year, and now the GasGas machines will be moving to the new bike. We can only assume that all the off-road models and stuff will be moving to the new those new platforms as well, but we don't know for sure yet. We did get the release of the GasGas Factory Editions end of last week, and I'm pretty happy with them, guys. They look pretty sweet. I like the looks of it actually better than the Rockstar Edition, just because it's more aggressive, looks more fun, jumps at you. It must be the bright red, the black and white, versus the black and white of the Husky. Was really curious what they would do with the plastic design. I had seen a couple spy photos and was worried that they might just take the KTM plastics and literally make them red. And it doesn't appear that that's what they did, guys. These plastics have their own flair, their own look. They have a couple cool, interesting cuts in the shroud and in the side number plate, and I really like it. The whole bike itself is sharp. The way they integrate the blue on the top of the seat cover into the blue on the shrouds, it really looks sweet, and the Red Bull logo looks perfectly at home on this motorcycle. I think it's super sharp. But let's talk about the details of what comes on the bike. I'm not going to tell you about all the changes because we went over those last year with the KTM. So this is just going to be the new generation motorcycle. I also think it's interesting to point out it was either Vital or Swap Moto. One or the other did a couple quick interviews with Pierce Brown a couple days ago, and he said that he had been riding the new generation bike for a long time just with red plastics, and I thought that was pretty interesting. I just wonder how long. So Troy Lee Designs Red Bull GasGas Factory Racing Replica graphics from the 2023 season. You got the ribbed factory seat cover on here. The factory racing triple clamps, anodized red. Factory wheels, anodized black. Dunlop tires, a black rear sprocket, a gold X-ring chain, the factory start device, semi-floating front brake disc, factory racing brake disc guard, 2K carbon composite skid plate, red frame protection kit, the hour meter with the FI status and low fuel warning, the map select switch to control launch control, traction control, and quick shift, the Akrapovic slip-on line titanium exhaust system, the Billet Henson outer clutch cover, the black neck and fat bar with GasGas bar pad, the softer ODI lock-on grips, and the firmer suspension settings. So, if you're not familiar, the base model GasGases normally come with a little softer valving. This is not going to be the case on this factory edition. It should come with the same aggressive valving like the KTM, in the same way that the Husky comes with full size suspension instead of the lowered suspension like it does on the base model. So this bike will be for the guy that is KTM spirited with the ready to race motto and wants the most aggressive setup you can get, but still likes a GasGas brand, wants a GasGas. I think it looks fantastic that it has the red anodized hubs now instead of the black. I love the GasGas Factory Racing Henson clutch cover. The Akrapovic, it's cool, it's boutique, I like the brand, but it's very plain looking to me. You can't even read Akrapovic on the can. It's got no carbon, it's got no color. although it's cool, we know it's cool, I think the FMF with the blue and the red and the FMF logo would look sweet on this bike. Now, we still don't have a price on these machines that I know of, but expect the availability to be sometime in early 2023. And as soon as I know an MSRP, I'll probably drop a YouTube short here to let you guys know. But for any of you guys that have a base model GasGas and you want to spruce it up a little bit to look like this, you can get all of these factory edition parts and accessories at aomc.mx. But so let's say you want the red anodized wheels, but you don't want to pay, you know, $1,500 or $2,000 or whatever these cost. We've got our AMP wheels, guys. AMP is Appalachian Moto Products. It's our in-house brand. This one right here is the blue hub and black wheel, but we have a version of this in orange and in red for the GasGases. So you can pick up a front and rear set for $6.99. No, you can use coupon code MXGuru, one word, to save another $70. You're going to pick up a set of these for like $6.29. They're going to ship for free. They come with spacers to work on any of the KTM, Husky, and GasGases, no matter what axle size you have. They use the same spec bearings as the OEM wheels, so easy to find bearings. We always have them in stock. So if you guys want to support the channel, besides hitting the subscribe button or maybe joining my race team for 99 cents a month, just hit my first link down below in the description. It'll take you to AOMC. Type in the search bar whatever you're looking for. If you have any trouble finding what you're looking for, leave it in a comment below or send me a message on social media. I'll help you find it. Appreciate you all so much. Love the 2023 GasGas Factory Edition. And whenever we get one of these in, you guys know I'm going to give you a walk around of it, a real feel video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.